Restaurant businesses can optimize their menus by clever use of their business data. They say sales are vanity and profits are sanity, and that is so true. There's a relatively simple technique you can use to optimize your menu items. So you take the number of units sold of each and every item over a given period of time, and you look at the sale price and the cost price. Now, you don't have to have the perfect cost price. I know things go up and down over time, but an average cost price would be good enough for this exercise. From that, you can then calculate out the cash contribution for that menu item over that time period, and you can rank that from top to bottom. So now you've got your best performers. Well, they're the ones you want to be recommending to customers to try to boost your profits, to upsell them into more profitable products. But you also have your bottom performers. Now, they're the ones that are maybe just cluttering up the menu if people are not engaging with those products, or they're incurring too much wastage, taking too much time in the kitchen. And in many respects, do they really need to be there if they're not adding that much value? So there's a method by which you can check if you should or shouldn't cull an item from your menu. The first thing you need to do is to look if those menu items exist on the receipts with lots and lots of other high profit items. In which case, obviously, people buy those items alongside far more profitable things, and thus they belong within a profitable customer spend. They're the ones you keep. But if these menu items aren't really popular and they only appear on very low value receipts, then you could consider getting rid of them to amplify the time and effort you've got on producing the stuff that delivers the money to the business. So these are the kind of choices you can make when you really dig in to your sales and performance data, and it allows you to direct your staff to recommend those profitable items to customers, which will ultimately optimize your menu and boost your growth.